One awesome thing about the full self-driving, look how foggy this is. But as you can see, that is heated. So it's always removing the fog from your car. So if for some reason you decided to start driving and you can't see out your windshield, let the car drive itself, set the speed lower, and just make sure you're careful while it's defogging, or pull over obviously, but you can see it's clearing up pretty quick now, and now I can see through. Alright, so yeah. Alright, and since I'm letting the car drive itself and using the defogging or defogging thing uses a lot of power. I was getting like 200 something watt-hours per mile, but with that thing on now it's over 300 something. So yeah, not really much else to say, and I'm gonna use the energy because I don't want it to sit at close to 100% while I'm at home. So yeah, I don't want my battery to be sitting at 100%. Not good for it. Alright, anyways, that's pretty much it. Again, yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.